This is called Bomb Tower, and I recently changed my avatar. So it's very like a pro avatar. I will have here. Not tried to, but fail. Easy. But they cannot get me. They cannot get me. Oh my gosh. I'm so pro. Bro, I am on long time, so that's why it looks like it. That's why I'm so pro. Bye. Get to the next. Oh, this will be very to the next. So we're playing a game here. Well, almost did it. I tried to one half. Oh my god, thanks for the thanks for the bomb. I was waiting to get one. You know why, guys? I'm a one half there. If it's not on single numbers, oh my gosh! 5, 4. Oh, bro, the bomb was too hard that I was glitching because nah, I cannot roll hot. I didn't roll hot in time because it was glitchy. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Deserve. Let me give it to the trawler. Do not give it to me. No. Hey. FedEx, 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 FedEx. I for FedEx. FedEx time. Dude, this there is your mosquito. Wow, yuck. Hi, yuck. Oh, that's fake. Profile. Do not trouble. I got the karma. I accidentally got the bomb. Oh my gosh. Give me that. Give me that. Thanks. No. That was my joystick. Hi, hello. No, you can't tell me. Check mosquito. That's why that's the fake mosquito. Why is it the letter? Why is it the letter no? Why is it the letter U? Shimaji content. Shimaji content. Bombo clap. Maybe take it to the next. Bombo, take it to the next. Not again. Why all the time? I almost touched the button. Until this has been a 5-minute video. What's the green? Oh, that's nothing. So guys, this is the end of the video. So guys, goodbye.